Hey Clashers! Today I'm going to show you how to get free equipment in Clash of Clans without spending a single gem or using any hacks. Open your phone browser and go to Supercell Store. First, log in your Supercell account. Click on Clash of Clans Store. Follow my video. You can get the equipment you don't have from here for free. Click on Free. Alright, Clashers, that's how you get free equipment in Clash of Clans safely.